Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Windows 7 update error code 80072EFE. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type services, click on open it. In services you just need to scroll down to the bottom and double click on this Windows update and set this startup type to automatic and select apply and stop the service and start the service. Select apply and OK for search changes. Just close stuff here. Send step, go to search menu and type CMD. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. And now you just need to check my video description for these commands. Just to copy and paste these commands one by one. Copy with Ctrl C and paste using right click on this CMD and select paste and press enter. After finishing all these commands, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open up Chrome and in search you just need to type Windows 7 updater and press enter. Select the first site. Select the download option here. After getting download and click on it and install it. Select yes. Select yes. After this is installation complete, select close. And now you just need to restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.